This is chapter Haloalkanes and Haloarenes, class 12. In this part, we are going to discuss about the nature of CX bond, that means carbon halogen bond in that present in haloalkanes and haloarenes. So, we know that the electronegativity of halogens are obviously greater than carbon. So, due to that, the charge separation will be like carbon will become delta plus and the halogen will become delta minus. So we can see that the carbon halogen bond is slightly polar covalent bond, and due to this polarity there will be the separation of charge. Now down the group, that means if the halogens are changing like fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, down the group the size of the halogens are increasing. So the CX bond length will increase obviously because the halogen are increasing in size. So if the bond lengths are increasing, obviously the bond enthalpy will decrease, because जितना दूर जाता है कोई भी एटम, उसके बीच में जो बॉन्ड होता है वो तोड़ने के लिए हमें कम एनर्जी देना पड़ता है. सो द बॉन्ड एंथैल्पी विल डिक्रीज एज द हैलोजेंस आर चेंजिंग like fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Now the another thing is that if the halogens are changing same way, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, we know that down the group in the periodic table electronegativity decreases. So this charge separation CX के बीच में जो चार्ज सेपरेशन हुआ था डेल्टा प्लस एंड डेल्टा माइनस, वो चार्ज सेपरेशन भी धीरे धीरे कम होता जाएगा. एंड फॉर दैट द CX bond polarity will decrease as the halogens are changing from fluorine to iodine. Now these are the some questions which can be asked from this part. Now the dipole moment. We know that dipole moment is the multiplied form of charge and distance. So here we have seen that the charge, that means the polarity, is decreasing from fluorine to iodine, and the distance between carbon and halogen are increasing as we are going from fluorine to iodine. So by that two factor we can see that the dipole moment, this will readily decrease down the group. That means for CH3F, suppose the dipole moment should be more, then it will decrease for CH3Cl, then it will be more less than for CH3Br, and for CH3I this will be the lowest. But one anomalous property is found in case of CH3F and CH3Cl. Expected is that CH3F will have more dipole moment than CH3Cl, but we can found that the dipole moment of CH3F is having the value of 1.487 dBi, and for CH3Cl the value comes 1.86. So we can easily see that the value of methyl chloride dipole moment is more than CH3F. So why it is happening? It is happening because of the two opposing factor. Now only we have seen that the polarity of the bonds decreases down the group. So for carbon fluorine bond in case of CH3F is more polar than the CCl bond. But we know that the bond length between the CF is very small, and the bond length between carbon and chlorine is higher than CF because of the size of chlorine is higher than fluorine. So due to that two opposing factor, the dipole moment of CH3F becomes less than CH3Cl. This is one important question and this is one anomalous property which is found in the dipole moments of the methyl halides in case of alkyl halides.